Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Thursday, June the 13th, 2024. We have here three regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, and the Tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. And in today's newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 star Sudoku, and the 4 star Sudoku. We have two Jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Saiva block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now, in the evening. Now I will solve these 3 regular puzzles. And the first one I will solve is the 3 star Sudoku. And what's the news of today? Well, let me show you the first page. The front page. The Golden Girls, yes. They have won gold, the European Championship in Roma, yes. 400 meters relay, female, yeah. Gold for them. So we are very proud. Yeah. Alright. The first puzzle is a 3 stars Sudoku. 3 star Sudoku number 8709. Let me put this here. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 27 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. This one has 27. Should be a 1 star. 1 star puzzle I need 15. Nope. Need to be faster than 50 minutes. Yeah, for 1 star. It's indicated with 3 stars, and for 3 stars I need 20 to 30 minutes. Is this a 3 stars or 1 star puzzle? That's the question. So let's get started. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in these 3 boxes. We have a 2 in this row. Last row, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for 2 in this big square. Shoot me there. Then 1, 1. 6 here. Okay. Need a 2 here. Need a 4 here. 4 in this column. First column. 4 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left. The 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in the last row. No 4 there. 4. I should be there. 4, 4. Need an 8. 8 in this column. 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place left for 8 should be there. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So that row, the only place left the 4. 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers the 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so in the row below. The only 2 places left for 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4, I should be there. 8, 8. No 9. 1, 1. Either 1 here or there. Need 1 here. Need 1 here. Okay, need a 7 here. Well. Let me think. 9, 9. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in the third column. One of the missing number in the third column is number 9. Here can be 9 because we have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. Here can be 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 there. Only place left for the 9 in the third column should be here. So now 9 in the third column. 9 in the first column, so the column between the second column. Only 3 places left on the 9 should be here, here, or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 in the last row, no 9 there. The only place left on the 9 should be here. Alright. 999. 99. Well. Yeah. Think. Come on. This is taking too long. Need a 6 here. Need a 7 here. Need a 2 here. I'm thinking. 3, 5, and I need a 1 here. 3, 5, and a 1. Need a 5 here. Need a 7 here. I need a 1 here. Aye. Yeah. Need a 4 here. Come on. Need a 2 here. 2. Need a 2 here. 1. Come on. I'm thinking. 1, 2. Need a 7 here. Need a 7 there. Let me put some numbers because this is taking too long. 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this big square. No 7 in these two boxes, so the 7 could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those two boxes in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next down, only 3 places left. The 7 should be here, or there. We have 7 this row, no 7 there. 7 could be here, could be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next down, only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Need a 3, need a 5. 3, 7, 1, and a 5. Come on. Still thinking. We have 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left. 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left. 6 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the amount. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 in this column, 7 in the third column, so the column between the second column. Only place level 7 should be there. Mark those 2 boxes, elevator 7. We have a 7 in this box, so this box can be 7 or more. That box should be a 7. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. Let me mark those. So we have a 5 in one of those boxes in this column, 5 in the third column. So the column between the second column, there are only 2 places left for the 5. Could be here, could be there. Here also 1 and a 5. That's a pair. 1, 5 and a 3. 3 and a 5 are left. 3 and a 5, okay. Yeah. Mark those 2 boxes, elevator 7. We have a 7 now, so this box can be a 7 and more. That box should be a 7. Alright. 1. Yeah, 3 missing numbers. No. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is number 1. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. Here can be 1. We have a 1 in this big square. No 1 there. So the 1 could be here or there. Here or there we see a double 1 here. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Then need a 6, need a 9. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is a 9. Here can be 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. Here can be 9. We have a 9 in this middle column. No 9 there. Only place left for the 9 should be there. Then 6 and the 3. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 3 in this big square. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and 6. Let me mark those. Alright. 2 numbers left in the second column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 3 and a 5. Let me mark those. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8. 6 and the 8. Alright. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then. Need a 7 here. Need a 1 here. I'm thinking. Need a 1 here, yeah. Need a 7 there. 5, 8, and need a 9. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next. Now only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So the first row, there are only 3 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 in the column next, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. Then. So 2 numbers left, the 5 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 5 goes there. 5 and an 8. We have 8 now, so this box should be a 5. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. So the 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 now in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in the middle column. 4 numbers, 1. 2 is missing. The 3 is missing also. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Let me mark these 2 boxes. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 now in the third row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 in the third row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there. Done. Need a 2 here. Alright. How about the 4 then? 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next on that column. Only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in the second row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row from the first row. Only place left for 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in the third row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 6 and 8. We have 8 in the second row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 6 in the third row. 6 in the second row. So the first row. Only 2 places left. The 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the last column. No 6 there. 6 should be there. Then 1 box left in this first row for the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. We have 3 in the last column, 3 in that column, so the column 3. Only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. Alright. So 2 and a 5. Well, I need to wait. How about need a 1 here. 1 box left in this row. For number 1. 1 in this last column, 1 in the column next, so in that column no, need 2 places left, and 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next, so in that column no, need place left, 6 should be there. 2 and a 6, we have a 6 in the middle row, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only place level 2 should be there. 2 in the last column, 2 in that column, so the column 3, the only place level 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square, 4 numbers to 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing, 7 and 5, 7 and 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 7 goes in there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for the same numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing, 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 60 minutes. Well, maybe I talked too much in the beginning because we lost 3 minutes. Anyway, let me give this a 2 stars. Not faster than 50 minutes, otherwise it will be a 1 star. Let me give this a 2 stars. And we solve it again, and I like this one, yes. I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 regular puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.